Alright guys, I guess today is Outlander day because this is my second Outlander that I've worked on today. This one is a 570. The one that I had earlier was a 650, I believe. And the customer had bought a winch, mounted the winch, and then needed me to wire up the winch. And I actually did this prior to working on it tonight, the same exact thing on this 570. So when they came, picked up the 650, they dropped the 570 off. And this time on the 570, they wanted halos on the outside perimeter of the headlights. So I got those installed. They went with a green halo to kind of flow with the gray and green kind of, you know, color scheme of the four-wheeler. And I just wired halos up together, ran them to the battery, through a ground, and then put a toggle switch. He wanted it right in the middle of this center console here, and you just drop the switch, you have a green light, and then the halos are on. And I think they came out really good. I try my best to get as center as possible. One thing, maybe in the future, who knows, because of these tires and being on a four-wheeler, you actually have to adhere these to the headlight. So in order to do that, you clean up the headlights with alcohol, and then for me, I just put Permatex clear adhesive sealant on the halo, then apply the halo to the headlights, and then I just sat some weights on it for about an hour. So they didn't have a long time, you know, of being pressed down. And I know this stuff takes at least about 24 hours or more to fully cure. So we'll see down the road. Luckily, these halos come with quick disconnects. It's only about 6 to 8 inches past the halo, so you can just disconnect it, and then there's 3 screws that hold this headlight in, so you can easily just take it back off and reapply the adhesive. But all the wiring's done, it's complete. I did use a step bit. Luckily this rocker switch required a 3/4 hole, so I just took the whole step bit. And this step bit, it does a awesome job of a really good, clean, you know, drilled hole. And I don't think I could have gotten any better of being center of this console. So, and that completes it for today. 2 Outlanders. I guess I'll call this the Outlander day. Alright guys, I'll see you on the next one. Let's load up these tools.